On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, guys? I picked up this TX650 Skycruiser metal detector because it looked like it'd be a very nice addition to have on a motorcycle. Of course, I liked the compactness of it because when I use my other metal detectors I feel like I'm carrying an upright vacuum on my back because it's so long, you know, even everything compressed. So let's see if this thing is any good and how compact it is. Well, look at that. Looks like it's about the size of a backpack, and it has a backpack straps. Pretty good stitching. Skycruiser. It has a manual. The Spanish novel. I could probably put it on a rack on the back and just have it stick out the back a little bit. Just no wheelies, boys. No 12 o'clocks anyway. It looks like it comes with a lot of features. Huh. Comes with the batteries. A little case with a belt loop. And a little shovel. Yeah, it's a metal shovel, but miniature army shovel. Never seen one so small. Not too shabby. Comes with a little saw and a bottle opener in case you want to bring some beer.
Don't think about beer. Don't think about beer. Don't think about beer.
Wow. Packaged in there pretty tight.
That's what she said.
Oh, look at that. It comes with headphones. Little 16th inch stereo jack. So there's a few different ways you can operate this. Looks like you could do it at a 90-degree angle, a 45-degree angle, or straight. You have your mode, sensitivity, you can discriminate power, that's for pinpointing, and then for programming. It goes from ferrous to foil, thin, then you have silver, gold, and bronze, and thick, non-ferrous metals. I'm going to take this to Florida. So it takes 4 AA batteries, which are supplied. Always keep another set on hand, just in case. That's the headphone jack down there. There's a speaker. The armrest is also adjustable, which is nice. That acts as the handle. So here we have your modes. You have all mode, which is everything. All mode. Then jewelry mode. Select with that. Then custom. So you can reject whatever you like up on the bar. Then you have relics mode, which is designed to eliminate small iron pieces. And then you have coins only, because those are the coin sections. That's typically a pull tab. And non-iron mode. That's your coin depth, and that's your sensitivity, which I have all the way up, which is here. So you can adjust that. You can discriminate. And of course that's your battery indicator. Not bad. Not terribly heavy either. I like having this up higher on my forearm. It definitely takes away from the weight. A lot of them end up over here. It looks like an okay size transducer. I do not claim to be a metal detector expert. So it's a 10-inch by 6-inch oval. So it looks like your armrest goes out to a foot. It goes from 4 inches to 12 inches. Screen's about 2 3/4 by a little under 2 inches. Very easy breakdown. That's pretty compact. So folded up, you're looking at 19 inches long, about 4 5/8 high, 6 inches wide, of course. That's transducer. I think that'll be nice on a bike, that's for sure. Definitely could put this on my rack on the back or wear it like a backpack. Let's see what this weighs. 3 pounds, 2.6 ounces. I'll get outside and do some tests with this. So I got a nickel, dime, quarter penny, and a 50-cent piece. Should we just throw them out in the lawn? We'll see what depth we can pick them up at, if we can find them. Boink, 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 boink. Grass is pretty tall. See if we can retrieve those 5 coins. All right. You can hear the way that rings. That's my quarter. That's like 6 inches. Found that one. About the same depth. That's my 50-cent piece. It's a pinpoint. It says it's right here. Is it? Oh, there it is. It's my dime. Pinpoint. Should be right here. Well, I'm picking up something else. I don't see it. Well, there it is. Penny. Try a piece of metal. See, what am I missing? Nickel. Pinpoint. Even when it's on the top, I can't find it, huh? It's gotta be here. I need a pointer. That would be a better addition than a shovel, I suppose. It still works. You guys do that for a 9-volt battery? Stick it on your tongue. That one's good. Nope. Jeez, can't find my nickel. There's something there, but and this is pretty sensitive. Well, there's something. Got it, boys. Not out any money. When I first bought this place, I found a bunch of pennies over here. Like over here somewhere. The heck could that be? You never know what's buried here, huh? Well, there was a cabin here. It was built in 1934. You never know what you find. I think it's a piece of metal something, but let's find out. I like the plastic shovels just in case you do come up with something that's like worth some money. Piece of coin. Gotta go with a bigger hole. It's gotta be metal though, right? Yeah, sounds like metal. It's probably not worth digging, but we're gonna do it. The guy was a doctor that owned my house. Maybe buried some money back here. There's a piece of metal. Huh. Huh. Is this a Yankee cover? Yankee cover. Hey, never know what you'll find, boys. Put it in my pocket. Huh, a nail. A nail. Me and Jeff Rowe been talking about going do some metal detecting, treasure detecting, but we haven't. Let's try somewhere. Well, I guess there is something. Something long. Maybe a nail. Oh, it's like a cut nail. All that for that. Yep. Put my gold ring down. See if it picks that up. See how it picks that up. but it is showing in the yellow there. Thin non-ferrous. So that's the target of your pinpoint. So I found a few nails, got my money back. Found that weird double clasp thing. Let's see how compact this goes. Not too bad. I mean, the bag is a lot bigger than it needs to be. But you can throw some other stuff in there. I definitely recommend a pointer. I'm not sure if these guys offer one, but you're definitely going to want a pointer. So yeah, it actually worked pretty good. It'll definitely go on the back of the bike easy. Just strap that on like that. So for $231, it's actually a pretty decent unit. The best thing I like about it is it's so compact. You can pretty much fit it anywhere. On a motorcycle or in a mini truck, or just to keep it in your trunk or the back of your car. This thing is pretty awesome. And I was impressed. The sensitivity was pretty good. I have a white and I have a Garrett, and it's comparable to the white for sure. So I think this is definitely going to be added to my kit on the motorcycles. In the $230, $240 range, not bad. Makes a good gift, that's for sure, since the holidays are coming up. So I'll have a link down below with a discount code. Happy holidays to everybody.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.